भाई स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, इधर देखो। Guys, till now we have discussed about IGPs. What is IGP? Interior Gateway Protocol. The protocol that you will be running inside a enterprise. This time we are discussing about BGP. भाई दोबारा नहीं बताऊंगा, ये बातें पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ. I will not explain these things again. So look here. Let's say this is the enterprise R1, R2, R3, R4. These four routers are back to back connected to each other. Fine. Now, in this enterprise, I have got some LANs. This enterprise will be connected to whom? ISP. This ISP will be connected to. Done. So what I am trying to tell you, in an enterprise, which routing protocol you will run? Between enterprise and ISP, which routing protocol you will run? BGP, or you can run. What you can run? Default routing. Or between ISP, which protocol you will run? Always BGP. So BGP is basically a inter-AS routing protocol. What is the use of BGP? To provide routing between ASes. To provide routing between ASes. How many of you remember what is a AS? हाँ, क्या होता है वो?
UPCs of at a one a group. The same administration by
The domain which is managed by a single administrator or a group of administrators. This thing is clear. Now BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol. Fine. Now first thing, BGP is a classless routing protocol. Second thing, BGP is a layer 7 protocol, uses TCP, port number 179. नेबरशिप से स्टार्ट करें. BGP can form neighborship and same AS also and different AS also. Same AS means, let's say R1 is a member of AS 100. So R2 is also a member of AS 100. It means both neighbors are both routers are external BGP peers. So what is the difference between internal and external BGP peers? This thing is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
क्या डिफरेंस है इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल बीजीपी पीयर्स पे, समझ में आया? इन केस ऑफ इंटरनल नेबरिंग एस वुड बी, इन केस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल नेबरिंग एस वुड बी डिफरेंस. दिस थिंग इज क्लियर? Next, How? BGP will form neighborship. How? Look here, all of you. अंदर आ ही गए हो वैसे आप. In case of BGP, neighborship is static in nature. Till now, the IGPs we have studied, in those IGPs, neighborship was dynamic. Router was dynamically discovering its neighbors. Router was dynamically discovering its neighbors. But in case of BGP, neighborship is static. And you will always define neighborship with the help of which command? Neighbor command. With which command? Neighbor command. Clear? सबको? Now how neighborship will form? Look here. Let's say this is R1, this is R2. 12.1, 12.2. On a router, you can run only a single BGP प्रोसेस. एक राउटर पे आप कितने प्रोसेस रन कर सकते हो? सिंगल. डन. नेक्स्ट थिंग, router BGP 100. Here also router BGP 200. So what kind of peers they are? External. Done. Now neighbor 12.2 remote AS 200. Neighbor 12.1 remote AS 100. Clear? So you have to write these two commands on each router. So what R1 will do? First thing, R1 will form a done. After that, BGP neighborship is established. सबको समझ में आया? So whenever BGP neighborship will form, first of all routers will form TCP session. Clear? Now look here. How routers will form TCP session? Whenever you will write neighbor command on a router, let's say here you are writing neighbor 12.2. What router will do? Router will generate a TCP send for whom? For 12.2. Clear? Now the other router will reply with, now my router will reply with so after this three-way handshake, what routers will do? They will form BGP neighborship. This thing is fine. Now, what is TCP three-way handshake? We have already discussed at the time we were discussing about TCP header. याद है? जब हमने TCP header के बारे में discuss किया था, at that time we have discussed what is the use of TCP three-way handshake. Now, in case of BGP, there are some neighbor states. First, second, third, fourth, sixth. Done. What is idle? Idle means no route to neighbor. Let's say on R1 you are writing neighbor 12.2. R1 पे आपने क्या लिखा? neighbor 12.2. So what router will do? Try to understand this concern. इस बात को समझने की कोशिश करना राउटर करता क्या है. What router will do? Router will look for this particular IP. Router will look for this particular IP. This IP will be associated to a network. ये IP किससे associated होगी? एक router will look for that network in routing table. If network is found, only then router will initiate a SYN packet. Otherwise, it will never initiate a SYN packet. So state will be idle. So state will be idle. Clear? So you can see idle state only when there is no route present in the routing table. No route present in the routing table. This thing is clear to all of you. Next state is connect. Router will try to form TCP connection. So there will be two things. First, it would be successful. Second, not successful. If TCP connection is successful, directly it will jump to which state? Open send. If not successful, then it will go to which state? In active state, it will wait for a timer, then it will retry to form a TCP connection. This thing is clear? समझ में आया? ठीक है भाई. So by default, what was the state? Idle. What do you mean by idle? No route to. Second state is, what do you mean by connect state? Router will try to form. Next. बोलो ना यार, मैंने सारा लिखा हुआ है यहाँ. देव पढ़ो क्या लिखा है. आइडल स्टेट क्या है? What is connect state?
Try to form TCP connection.
What is active?
So it would be successful, not successful.
If it is not successful, it will go in active state. It will wait for a timer, then it will retry. If it is successful, it will directly move to which state? Open send state. Fine. This thing is clear? हाँ भाई, कोई doubt? In open send state, both routers will send open message. Both router will send open message. If open message parameters are matched, open message parameters are matched, they will be in which state? Open confirm. How they will show open confirm state? By sending which messages? कीप अलाइव. अभी सब कुछ बताऊंगा क्या होता है कीप अलाइव में, क्या होता है ओपन मैसेज में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोसेस एंड हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम IGPs. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट स्टेट वाज आइडल, सेकंड कनेक्ट, एक्टिव, ओपन सेंट, ओपन कंफर्म, एस्टेब्लिश्ड. आइडल मीन्स नो राउट टू नेबर. Connect means I am trying to form a TCP connection. If successful, I will go in directly with state open send. In open send state, I will send which message? Open message. After exchanging open message, parameters are matched. If matched, I will send which message? Keep alive. Keep alive means which state? Open confirm. As router will start exchanging keep alive, state will be established. After established state, router can exchange. After established state, router can exchange updates. मेरे पास है।
If parameters are not matched,
Router can exchange updates.
if parameters are not matched,
पैरामीटर क्या है वो तो आ जाएंगे, उस पर मैच होंगे नहीं होंगे बात की बात है. आफ्टर एस्टेब्लिश स्टेट राउटर विल एक्सचेंज अपडेट. एस्टेब्लिश स्टेट्स के बाद राउटर क्या एक्सचेंज कर लेंगे? अपडेट्स. डन. This thing is clear. Now let me compare IGP with BGP. Let's say this is R1 12.1 12.2. Done. Here we are running which protocol? OSPF. Done. Now try to understand my concern. Again I am saying in OSPF you were writing network command. What network command was doing? फोन तो घर बैठ के भी यूज कर लेता है. बज भी जाता क्या फर्क पड़ता है? ऐसे कौन सा तो 10 बजे आ गया था. नेटवर्क कमांड क्या करती है? इट विल एनेबल राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल ऑन द इंटरफेस. What will happen after routing protocol get enabled? Router will start dynamic neighbor discovery. Second thing, router will add the network in the database. Agree? It means network command was having two works to do. First, to discover neighbor. Second, to advertise that particular network to the neighbor. Yes or no? In a similar way, in case of BGP, we are having different commands to do different works. Neighbor command will just form neighborships. Network command is used to advertise the network. Clear? It means in case of IGPs there was a single command that was network, that was used to build neighborship also, and that was used to advertise network also. But in case of BGP we have two different commands. First is neighborship, second is network. Network command is used to advertise the neighbor command is used to advertise the neighbor. Clear? This thing is clear? So if I compare same thing with BGP, in case of BGP, DND not present, done. Dynamic neighbor discovery is not there, but we still have static neighborship that is done through which command? And if we talk about how to add network in the, like in EIGRP we have topology table, in OSPF we have database table, in BGP we have BGP table. In BGP we have BGP table. How networks will be added to BGP table? With the help of which command? Network command. EIGRP में topology table में add होते रहे. In case of EIGRP, networks were added to. If you remember the process, I explained it like this. Let's say I have R1 and R2. By default, R1 is having some loopbacks. Now, by default, R1's loopbacks are by default present in routing table of R1. Yes or no? What is my aim? To install them in topology table of R1 so that R1 can send an update to R2. First of all, R2 will install them in topology table. Then from topology table, R2 will form its routing table. This was the process. Similar will be the case here. There will be two routers. I will be running BGP between them. First of all, with the help of neighbor command, I will be forming neighborship. After that, with the help of network command, the networks which are present in routing table of R1, I will be installing them in BGP table of R1. From BGP table of R1, R1 will send update to R2. R2 will first of all install those networks in BGP table of R2. From that BGP table, R2 will form routing table. Clear? Process क्या है? Same. But some rules are different. Some rules are, we will discuss them from time to time. Now look here. Now, in case of IGPs, all of you know, we were exchanging which message? Now guys, keep your mind free to understand two functions of hello packet. There are two functions of hello packet basically. First is to match, yes or no? Second is to act as a keep alive. In case of BGP, for matching parameters, we are exchanging open message, and for keep alive, we are exchanging which messages? Keep alive, which are exchanged after every, and whole time is. बात समझ में आई? देखो, दो चीजें थी. In case of IGPs, we were running network command. With the help of network command, there were two things. In case of BGP, those two things are different, are done separately. Now, in case of IGPs, hello packet was doing two things. First, it was matching parameters. Second, it was acting as a keep alive. But in case of BGP, open message is used to match parameters, and we have normal keep alive messages after open messages exchange. After parameters are matched, or you can say after open messages exchange. BGP के केस में ओपन मैसेज एक्सचेंज होने के बाद अगर पैरामीटर मैच हो जाते हैं तो हम कौन सा मैसेज एक्सचेंज करते हैं? कीप अलाइव. व्हाट इज द टाइमर फॉर कीप अलाइव? 60 होल टाइम. दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट थिंग, पैरामीटर. फर्स्ट थिंग इज क्या लिखा मैंने? पैरामीटर्स ऑफ डन. हाँ में कोई दिक्कत? सो दीज 4 आर द पैरामीटर्स और पैरामीटर्स ऑफ ओपन मैसेज. तो कभी भी हम मिसमैच नहीं होंगे. ठीक है? दिस थिंग इज फाइन. somehow clear or not? So this is how BGP neighborship will form. Now what will be my aim for today? Just to show you that let's say if I have 3 ASs, how they will communicate using BGP. Let's say I have 3 ASs, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, R8, like this. How many ASs are there? AS 100, AS 200, AS 300. Done guys. तो पहले मैं क्या करता हूँ, इन तीनों ASs को कॉन्फ़िगर कर लेता हूँ. फाइन. आफ्टर दैट हियर आई विल बी रनिंग EBGP. इसमें ना मैं सारी बेसिक EIGRP फीचर कवर हो जाएंगे. वी कैन कवर ऑल बेसिक EIGRP फीचर्स. फाइन. वेदर इट इज नेबरशिप और एनी BGP फीचर दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन योर सिलेबस. So let us make a diagram. So configuration is the main thing. Please look here and try to understand the concept. Up to this point we have AS 100. AS संभाल अपने आप को भाई. AS done. भाई हेलो, फिर बात मत करो, 3 बार बोल दिया. In AS100 we will be running a routing protocol EIGRP 100. In AS200 we will be running a routing protocol OSPF area 0. अब किसी को ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा कि if we are running BGP, why we are running EIGRP, OSPF and third routing protocol, that is RIP. Here we will be running RIP version 2. Again I am telling you, just between ASs to exchange the routes I will be running BGP. In between ASs, just to exchange the routes, we will be running BGP. This thing is clear. Between ASs to exchange the routes, we will be running BGP. Inside a AS, still we will be running IGP. Now guys, look here. In case of BGP is a path vector routing protocol. Path vector routing protocol. Now what is the basic difference between distance vector and path vector? Distance vector routing protocol select best path on the basis of hop count. Hop count means how many routers or how many hops away my destination is from me. Agree? But what do you mean a path vector? How many ASs away the network is from me? How many ASs away the network is from me? Fine. So in case of BGP, AS path is used to select best path. AS path is used to select best path. Look here, what is AS path? Let's say this is my diagram. AS 100, AS, this is AS 400. Done. Now, let's say I have some network here, 172.168.0.0/16. Now this is a rule. Whenever a router will advertise a network out of its own AS, with the network it will add the AS number. With the network it will add the
Yes.
AS number. Which AS number will be added with the network? 100. Fine. It will give it to AS 200. Done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It will be received by R5 also. R5 will be having how many ASs with the root? Only 100. Agree? सबको समझ में आया? देखो यार R3 को मिलेगा. R3 किसको देगा? 4 किसको देगा? चलो ये भी एक लिंक लगा लो. R3 किसको देगा? 4 को इंक्लूड मत करो. 3 will give it to 5. 3 and 5 are member of same AS, different AS. So when we are forwarding an update in same AS, AS number is never forwarded. Own AS number is never forwarded. तो पहले वो डिस्कस करूं या डिस्कस करूं? R3 will forward the update to R5. R5 will get which AS number with the update? 100. R2 will forward the same update to R8 also. Okay. 8 will get which AS number? 100. Done. R5 will forward it to R9 also. R9 will get which AS number?
100.
Done. R5 is giving update out of its own AS. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it will add its own AS number. Its own AS number is 200. R8 will also give it to R9, but it will never forward its AS number. So R9 will get how many AS numbers? 1 from neighbor R8, and R9 is getting 2 AS numbers from which neighbor? R5. Which path will be best?
Single AS.
Path with least number of ASs will be best. Any issue in understanding this? किसी को भी? कोई प्रॉब्लम समझने में इसको? पक्का? चले आगे? सबको समझ में आ गया? किसी को ना आया हो? Anyone who is not clear with the thing?
सर इंटरनल जो एक्सचेंज होगा, मान लो 3-5 को दे रहा है, तो जो R3 R5 को दे रहा है, तो ये पिछला वाला देगा नहीं देगा? अपना भी नहीं देगा और 100 भी नहीं देगा?
100 क्यों नहीं देगा यार? अपना नहीं देगा.
खाली 100 देगा.
Whenever a router will forward an update to EBGP neighbor, which neighbor? It will forward its own AS number, but whenever it will forward an update to IBGP neighbor, it will not forward its own AS number. This is the rule. Second thing, what is the use of AS path? It is used to prevent routing loops. How? Whenever a router will receive an update, and if that router will find its own AS number in the update, it will discard that update. When a router will receive the update, if it will found its own AS number in the update, it will discard that update. What do you mean by this thing? Look here. कलर दिख रहा है? ये वाला. R1 is giving update to R2. R2 is giving it to R3 will give it to. On R5, how many aces will be there with the root? 100. R5 will give it to how many aces? R9 will give it to. On R8, 100. R8 will give it back to R2. How many aces? 400. 100. R2 will see I also belong to AS 100. It means this network was advertised via my AS. Via my AS. So I don't have to accept this update. What it will do? It will discard the update. तो जब भी एक राउटर के पास एक अपडेट आता है उसे उस अपडेट में अपना ही एएस नंबर मिल जाता है तो वो उस अपडेट को क्या कर देता है? डिस्कार्ड. तो एएस नंबर के दो फायदे हैं. एएस पाथ के दो बेनिफिट हैं. पहला, टू सेलेक्ट द बेस्ट पाथ. सेकंड, टू प्रिवेंट द लूप. टू प्रिवेंट लूप्स. क्लियर? आगे चले. तो लिखवाने की जरूरत तो नहीं है ना, समझ गए ना. whenever a router will receive update with its own AS number, it will discard the update. Next thing, now in case of EBGP, loop is prevented with the help of AS path. Best path is also selected on the basis of AS path. Next thing, what will happen in case of IBGP? IBGP means let's say this is R1, R2, done? Clear? Let's say this is a single AS. This is a single AS. And here you are running IBGP. Done? R1 is receiving an update from other AS. R1 will give it to, R2 will give it to, R5 will again give it to. It means there is no way of loop prevention. Because whenever a router will forward update inside a AS, router will never add a AS number with the update. Router will never add AS number with the update. समझ में आया देव? Let's say ये AS क्या है? 200. पीछे से अपडेट कौन सी एस से आ रहा है? तो R1 जब R2 को देगा 200 ऐड करेगा? कर भी देगा तो कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? नहीं. So whenever router will give update to IBGP neighbor, it will never add AS number. Clear? So R1 will give it to, R2 will give it to, R5 will again give it to R1. It means what is formed? Loop. It means in case of IBGP, in case of IBGP, AS path cannot prevent. So we have a rule. We have a. आपने बचपन में एक चीज देखी होगी जब आप स्कूल में होते थे. आप कोई भी बात अपने दोस्त को बता दो, सारे दोस्तों में फैल जाती है. फाइन. तो फिर हम क्या करते थे? गाली चढ़ाते थे. याद है बचपन में वो दिन? हाँ, जो भी था आपके वहाँ. इंडिया के हर भाग में अलग गाली होती है भाई. We used to take swears, God swear, mother swear that you will not tell this thing to anyone like this. चलो थोड़े और बड़े हो गए, जब हम 9th-10th में आ गए तो लेट्स से आपका नाम है मनोज. मनोज को कोई लड़की पसंद है.
तेरी भाभी.
तो मनोज ने अपने एक दोस्त को बता दिया, भाई मेरे को तो ये बढ़िया लगती है, मेरी सेटिंग करा दे. Manoj want to do setting with that girl. I don't know you are understanding my point or not, but his love was true. Fine. So, what was my concern? मनोज ने अपने दोस्तों को बोला भाई मेरी सेटिंग करा दे, और ये बात सारी क्लास में फैल गई. एग्री? ऐसा ही होता रहा. अब दूसरी बार मनोज ने क्या किया, बताया किसको, अपना नाम है वंदित. मनोज told the same thing to Vandit, but Manoj was like, please take God's will. You will not tell it to anyone, because I don't want the loop to be created. I don't want. Try to understand हुआ क्या. पहले IBGP अपडेट आता था, मैं सारे नेबर को दे देता था. प्रॉब्लम क्या आती थी, क्या फॉर्म हो जाती थी, लूप. Now we come up with the rule. Rule is, whenever a router will receive a update from IBGP neighbor, which neighbor?
IBGP neighbor.
I will never forward that update. We will never forward that update. तो लूप कभी मैंने तूने क्या सोचा, मैं एक ऐसे दोस्त को बात बताऊंगा जो आगे मेरी बात को फॉरवर्ड नहीं करेगा. ठंडवा मर जाएगा तो ऐसे समझने की कोशिश करो. पर इस केस में तो लूप बचानी है. वहां तो लूप लगने से ही बात बनती थी, दिल की बात तो निकलती थी. ठीक है जी. देखो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, एक रूल बनाया गया बीजीपी में जस्ट फॉर आईबीजीपी. व्हाट वाज द रूल? दैट whenever a router will receive an update from IBGP neighbor, which neighbor? R2 is receiving an update from which neighbor? Which neighbor yaar? IBGP neighbor. IBGP means internal BGP neighbor. It will never forward that update to any of its neighbor. It will never forward the update to any of its neighbor. Not to R5, not to R3, not to R4. So, how loops are prevented in IBGP? Whenever a router will receive an update from IBGP neighbor, it will not forward it to any other neighbor. Now, you will ask me, sir, this thing is fine, that loop will not form. Loop नहीं बनेगा. But let's say girl is sitting in the last. उस तक बात पहुंचेगी कैसे? That Manoj likes her. Yes. देखो, he is Manoj. He likes this girl. Fine. Now we have a loop prevention mechanism that whenever Manoj will forward update to its neighbor will never forward update to their neighbors, just to prevent the loop. Now the problem is, how his words will reach up to R4. Clear? So what Manoj has to do? Manoj will go to the girl directly and tell her, I love you. No other ways, guys. So, if in case of IBGP, if in case of IBGP, you want to forward a update, just form neighborship with that. So, in case of BGP, especially in case of IBGP, neighborship is full mesh. Neighborship is full mesh. Neighborship is full mesh. What do you mean by full mesh neighborship? देखो इधर ध्यान से, ग्रीन कलर से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं नेबरशिप को. R1 will be forming neighborship with कुछ पॉइंट टू मल्टी पॉइंट ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, दिमाग मत लगा. नेबरशिप है सिर्फ. Routers are directly connected or not? Routers are, but neighborship must exist if you want to forward updates. If you want to forward updates, otherwise you can never forward updates. आप कभी भी क्या नहीं forward कर सकते updates, because there is a rule that whenever a router is receiving update from which neighbor? IBGP neighbor, it will never forward that update to other IBGP neighbor. This thing is clear. समझ में आई इतनी बात? So how we have to configure neighborship? Full mesh. अगर मैं चाहता हूं कि सारे राउटर आपस में अपडेट एक्सचेंज कर लें, if I want that all router must exchange updates, so what kind of neighborship I have to configure inside a AS? Full mesh IBGP neighborship. Which type of neighborship? Full mesh IBGP neighborship. Clear? This thing is fine. This thing is clear to all of you. Done. आगे चले. चले आगे. Now, in case of IBGPs, sorry, IBGP मत लिखो, यहाँ क्या लिखो? BGP. Neighborship can be formed with directly connected as well as indirectly connected router. नेबरशिप किसके साथ फॉर्म कर सकते हैं? डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड के साथ भी. और नाउ गाइस, let me tell you one simple thing to explain this behavior. This behavior is not of BGP. All of you do the same thing daily. आप ये काम रोज करते हो, पता है आपको? All of you access Facebook daily. Agree? Agree? Facebook uses which protocol? HTTP. कौन सा प्रोटोकॉल यूज करता है? चलो दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, अगर आपको नहीं पता था ये बात तो फिर आपको कोई हक नहीं है CCN पे छोड़ने का. If you don't know this simple thing that Facebook uses HTTP, Gmail uses HTTP, तो छोड़ दो, कल से मत आना. फायदा नहीं होगा. आप इंटरव्यूअर के सामने बैठे होगे, रिज्यूमे में लिखा होगा CCNP pursuing CCI also. एंड जब वो पूछेगा Gmail किस पे चलता है क्या? सर ask me something about OSPF. ना भाई, Gmail किस पे चलता है? तो सिंपल आंसर इज HTTP. HTTP uses TCP. All of you know. Now try to understand. My laptop is present in my private network. Facebook server is present in a different network, and still I am able to form TCP connection with that Facebook server. You are getting my concern? In a similar way, two routers want to form BGP neighborship, but first of all, what is established in case of BGP neighborship? A TCP connection. We can form TCP connection in same subnet also and in different subnet also. What we need? Reachability. What we need? Reachability. What is the use of forming TCP connection in a different subnet? What is the benefit of forming TCP connection in different subnet? Let me show you. मेरे को ये बात पहले करनी चाहिए थी वैसे. You remember the previous diagram in which I was having a single AS and I was trying to pass updates.
Yes, sir.
If in case of BGP I was not able to form neighborship between indirectly connected routers, I can never pass updates. I can never pass. मैंने बताया था ना, in that case R1 has to form neighborship with R5 and R3 also, if you remember. And R1 and R3 are directly connected? No, indirectly connected. Clear? So in case of BGP, there are cases whenever we want to pass update between two routers which are not directly connected. So this feature is available in BGP that you can form neighborship with directly connected router or indirectly connected router. But what we need? Reachability. What we need? Reachability. But what we need? Reachability. Now, try to understand my concern. दो बातें हैं अब, ठीक है? Reachability you can configure using IGPs also. वही बात कर रहा हूँ. लेट्स से we all router belongs to one AS. Fine. We all router belongs to one AS and we are connected in full mesh. हम सारे एक दूसरे से connected हैं. Fine. I want to form neighborship between me and Dhruv. Me and Dhruv are directly connected? No. Indirectly connected. It means with the IP with which I am forming neighborship with Dhruv, that IP must be reachable from me. Clear? बात समझ में आई? जिस ध्रुव की IP के साथ मैं क्या बना रहा हूँ? नेबरशिप. जो ध्रुव का नंबर मैं डायल करना चाहता हूँ वो नंबर मेरे पास होना भी जरूरी है. इन अ सिमिलर वे with the IP with which I am forming neighborship with Dhruv, that IP must be present in my routing table. Only then I can form neighborship.
एक AS के अंदर एक IGP भी चलेगा और
जादू तो यही होगा. Without IGP, BGP is nothing. Without IGP, BGP is nothing. समझ में आया भाई? So whenever we want to form neighborship in BGP, with the IP with which we are forming neighborship, that IP must be present in our routing table. So reachability is must. Reachability is must. It means if in case of BGP we have three routers, R1, R2, R3, we can form neighborship between R1, R2 also and R1, R3 also. So how we will attain reachability between R1 and R3? How we will attain reachability between R1 and R3? By running IGP. By running IGP will provide us reachability. Then we will build BGP neighborship and we will exchange routes. We will exchange routes. अभी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन होंगे माइंड में. That if we are running IGP, what's the need of BGP? Try to understand, guys. BGP can handle lakhs of routes. BGP can handle. IGP cannot handle lakhs of routes. IGP can just handle thousands of routes, not lakhs of routes. And what is the need of running IBGP, internal BGP? Whenever my AS want to pass routes between two ASs. Want to pass routes between? In the previous example, AS 100, 200, 300, it means AS 200 is responsible for passing routes from 100 to 300. Clear? It means AS 200 we have to run IBGP. We have to run IBGP. And to pass the updates, we have to form indirect neighborship. We have to form indirect neighborship. For forming indirect neighborship, reachability is must. Reachability is must. So we have to configure IGP. IGP, RIP, EIGRP और OSP. बात समझ में आई? देखो टाइम लगेगा चीजों को समझने में, बट BGP is more easy than OSPF, EIGRP और RIP that you have studied. Very simple protocol. चले आगे. नेक्स्ट कंसर्न R1 झड़ रहे हैं बाल, सर से तो लग नहीं रहा, फिर क्यों ना खोलूं? वो लौटा नहीं आया ना आज, यहाँ बैठता है. नहीं वो चिकना तो आया भाई. So we will be forming neighborship of R1 with 2, R1 with 5, R1 with 3 and R1 with 4. Now guys, I again have a concern. Let's say this network is 12th network, this is done. On R1 you are writing neighbor 45.5. डन. क्या लिखा आपने? नेबर. डन. और किसके साथ नेबरशिप फॉर्म कर लिया? ऑन R4 यू विल राइट नेबर 15.1. दिस टाइम R1 एंड R4 विल फॉर्म नेबरशिप. नाउ व्हाट इज माय कंसर्न? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसर्न. If link between R4 and R5 goes down, neighborship will be affected. But still R1 is having a path to reach R4. But still R1 is having a path to reach.
R4.
Yes or no? So whenever two routers are indirectly connected, whenever two routers are indirectly connected, or whenever two routers are directly connected and we have two paths between them, we have two paths between them. Let's say if I talk between R1 and R5, R1 and R5 are directly connected, but from R1 to R5, how many paths are there? Two. One is direct and other is via R2. Other is via R2. We always form neighborship on the basis of loopbacks. We always form neighborship on the basis of why? Because loopback interface will never go down, and if one of the physical interface goes down, my neighborship will not be affected. फिर neighborship कभी भी affected नहीं होगी. क्यों देखो? और सबर तो रख लो. So what I will be doing? I will be configuring here a loopback. Yes or no? I will be advertising that loopback in IGP so that R1 can ping 4.4.4, R4 can ping. Agree? I will write here neighbor. Here. Done? So if this link goes down, I still have a path to reach 4.4.4.4. And if a link between 1 and 5 goes down, I still have a path to reach 1.1.1.1. Now, if you say, sir, if all the links goes down, then neighborship will be down. Then there will be no God saving this neighborship. Fine. God of 7 kingdoms. देखा होगा आपने. वो देखा आपने एक YouTube पे सर्च करना घोस्ट वर्सेस बीबी के वेंस.
हाँ सर देखा है लड़के लोगों में.
हाँ हाँ. तो मैं परेशान हो गई हूँ. मैं बैचलर्स के घर पे रहती हूँ. देखा वाला देखा. एक और भी नया था. फादर्स वॉचिंग गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स. देखा था वो. हाँ वो भी अल्टीमेट था यार.
सारे अल्टीमेट वही सभी उठा के देख लीजिए.
ये
दूध वाला भी सर बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
चलो ठीक है. हो गए रिफ्रेश हो गए. चलो तो फ्रॉम R1 we will be forming neighborship with 4.4.4.4. So if any physical interface will also go down, my neighborship will not be affected. Clear? This thing is clear? समझ में आया ये? कि अगर एक लिंक डाउन हो गया फिर भी R1 के लिए ये लूपबैक क्या रहेगा, रीचेबल किसी और पाथ से, तो मेरी नेबरशिप इफेक्ट नहीं होगी. डन. सो वेन एवर टू राउटर्स आर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड और indirectly connected, and if we have how many paths between them, 2 paths, we always form neighborship on the basis of loopback, whether the neighborship is EBGP or neighborship is IBGP. Rule है ये. This is a rule. Clear? So let's say 2 routers are back to back connected like this. So this time also you will form neighborship on the basis of loopbacks, so that if one link goes down, neighborship will not be affected. Clear? Now, what will be the problem? देखो ना, आप समझाऊंगा सारी बात. R1, 2, 3, 4. Done. On R1 you are creating a loopback. On R4 you will create a loopback. Let's say you are forming neighborship between R1 and R4. Between which routers? R1 and R4. You will write here neighbor. You will write here neighbor. Done. Now, try to understand my concern. Whenever you write here a neighbor command, you write here IP. What router will do? Router will try to search the associated network in which table? In routing table, router will find a, and router will be using that exit interface IP as source IP in TCP SYN packet. अब एक बात बताओ, ठीक है, मैंने आपको फोन करके बोला मैं शाम को घर आऊंगा, ठीक है, तो आप एक्सपेक्ट शाम को घर पे किसको कर रहे थे? मुझे। और मेरी जगह मेरी मम्मी और मेरे पापा पहुंच जाएं फिर, लेट से भाई आपकी बात करते हैं, मैं अपनी बात नहीं करता यहाँ पे, ठीक है, आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड, एक एग्जांपल है यार ये सिर्फ इस चीज को समझाने के लिए कि नेबर कमांड के कितने मतलब हैं? दो। मैंने आपको फोन करके, आपने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को फोन करके बोला, ऐसे ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, कि आप शाम को उसके घर जाओगे, वो एक्सपेक्ट किसको कर रही थी? आपको। और एट द सेम टाइम इसने मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली बोला है, तो आपकी जगह आपके पापा पहुंच जाए फिर वो गेट नहीं खोलेगी। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, मैंने लिखा है नेबर 4.4.4.4, इट मींस R1 will try to form TCP connection with 4.4.4.4, एग्री? On R4 मैंने क्या लिखा हुआ है? नेबर 1.1.1.1, it means R4 is expecting TCP connection from 1.1.1.1. तो दो मतलब है नेबर कमांड के। First, with which IP I want to form TCP connection? Fine. Second, from which IP I was expecting TCP connection. देखो, for R1, अगर मैं कह रहा हूं कि R1 is initiating the connection, it means R1 is trying to form connection with which IP? And R4 is expecting TCP connection from which IP? 1.1.1.1. Agree? But whenever R4 will initiate a TCP connection, what will be the source IP in that TCP connection? Exit interface IP. Because R1 will look its routing table to find which interface I am using to reach R4, and that exit interface IP will be used as source IP. So what we want? We want that whenever R1 will form TCP connection with R4, R1 will use 1.1.1.1 as source IP in the TCP connection. R1 will use 1.1.1.1 as source IP in the TCP connection. क्या हुआ, ढीला क्यों है? संडे था कल, क्या हुआ? So there is a feature in BGP that is called update source. I will tell R1 that for neighbor R4 please update your source address. For neighbor R4 please update your source address. Otherwise, which address R1 will always use? Exit interface. So whenever I will run this command update source, which address R1 will start using? 1.1.1.1. बात समझ में आई update source की? Update source is clear? Whenever you want to update source in your TCP packet, by default it will use exit interface IP. If you want to update your source, what command you can use? Update source command. आगे चले? So whenever you are forming neighborship indirectly between two routers, which command you have to use? Always. Otherwise neighborship will not form. Otherwise neighborship will not form. Next thing, ठीक है जी। AS 300 done. What kind of neighbor this would be? Here also. Now we have to configure two neighborships on R5. One with, other with. Otherwise, what will be the problem? R5 will give update to R4 will never give it to R3. Clear? So this neighborship will be, this neighborship will also would be IBGP. Clear भाई? समझ में आई? अब देखो, what is the criteria for selecting next hop in case of BGP? Whenever a router will forward update, देखो ऐसे बता रहा हूं नॉर्मली, देखो AS100, AS200, AS300. Look here. Neighbor 12.2, neighbor 12.1, neighbor 23.3, neighbor 23.2. Let's say AS300 has to forward an update. Whenever it will forward an update, with the update 23.2 will be added. Which type of neighbor it is? EBGP. It means whenever a router will forward an update to its EBGP neighbor, it will forward its next hop to AS200. When AS200 will forward it to AS100. 12.2. Clear? So for R1 next hop will be 12.2. For R2 next hop will be 23.2. यार R1 हर राउटर क्या करता है, जो नेबर के लिए आईपी यूज, सॉरी यहाँ आएगी 23.3 भाई, 23 अपने इंटरफेस की आईपी देगा भाई, फॉरवर्ड करेगा। क्या लिखा मैंने यहाँ? with the IP with which neighborship is formed. So R2 has formed neighborship with which IP? So it will forward the same IP in the update packet. Actually this IP will act as source in the update packet. This IP will act as source. बता देता हूँ यार, छोड़ो। अपडेट पैकेट में एक फील्ड होती है, which field? So in this next hop field it will insert this IP 23003. For R2 this IP will act as next hop. When R2 will forward the update to R1, so with which IP it has formed neighborship? 12.2. So in the next hop field it will insert which IP? 12.2. So for R1 which IP will act as next hop? 12.2. Clear? So whenever a update is forwarded to EBGP neighbor, next hop is modified. Whenever a update is forwarded to a EBGP neighbor, next hop is modified. Yes. एक मिनट रुक जा रहा, वाली बात करते तुम हमेशा। देख लिया मैंने अब। भाई एक मिनट आ रहा हूँ उस बात पे। अब हिंदी में बताया था। नेबर डन, नेबर 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 done. Let's say R3 is having an update. R3 will give it to, with the update, what next hop it will add? Neighbor IP. Neighbor IP is, यार किस IP से neighborship बनाई हुई है? 3.3.3 से. So for R2 next hop will be 3.3.3.3. R2 will forward it to R1. R2 has formed with neighborship with which IP?
2.2.2.2.
Done. So it will forward its own IP with the update. For R1 next hop will be 2.2.2.2. For R3 next hop will be 3 डॉट 3 डॉट 3 डॉट। समझ में आई बात? सो नेक्स्ट हॉप इज ऑलवेज एडिट फ्रॉम द IP address that you are using for neighborship. So whenever update is forwarded to EBGP neighbor, we will always modify the next hop. Let's say he is giving update to me and I am giving it to my EBGP neighbor. I will change the next hop. Fine. But rule is somehow different for IBGP neighbor. Hope so these lines are clear to you. R1 has formed neighborship with 2 also, 3 also, and why? To pass the update. To pass the. Otherwise, update will not pass. Now R1 is getting update from which type of neighbor? It is forwarding it to which neighbor? ये बात भी मैं एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ आपको। कुछ आपने अपने बचपन में दोस्त देखे होंगे जो बहुत बातें बनाते थे, देखे थे? तो व्हाट दे यूज, हाँ अभी भी है, मेरे नहीं है ना अभी, तो मेरे को ऐसे लगता है बचपन में थे। ठीक है, तो आदत क्या होती थी लोगों की? लेट्स से इसने बताया कल मैं रामलीला देखने गया था, वहाँ झगड़ा हो गया, मैंने मारे बालकों के। इसने मेरे को बताई, मैं आगे इसको बताऊंगा कल ना मैं रामलीला देखने गया था, झगड़ा हो गया, मैंने मारे बाल को गए। एग्री? ये थी दोस्तों में बात, एक्सटर्नल बात थी। इसका घर अलग है, मेरा घर अलग है, इसका घर अलग है। We both belongs to 3 different domains. So whenever we are passing the update, we are changing the next hop. Whenever we are whenever we are passing the update, we are changing the next hop. But let's say मेरे को सेम बात अपनी मम्मी को बतानी थी। मम्मी पता मनोज ने क्या किया? I will never take it on me. Agree? So whenever we have to pass the update to IBGP neighbor, we will never change the next hop. But whenever we have to pass the update to EBGP neighbor, we will always change the next hop. How you can remember it? जब भी बात अपने घर में बतानी हो तो हम नाम किसका लेते हैं? दूसरे का। और जब भी दूसरे के घर में बतानी हो अपना। ठीक है भाई? अभी तुम भी कहा करोगे जब तुम मनोज जितने हो जाओगे, तुम्हारे बच्चे हो जाएंगे, तुम भी कहा करोगे अपने बच्चों को, तुम्हें पता हम क्या करते थे? वो तुम नहीं करते थे, तुम्हारे आसपास होता था। चलो ठीक है। So this is a rule. Whenever a router will pass update to which neighbor? EBGP neighbor. It will change the next hop. ठीक है? Whenever it will pass update to IBGP neighbor, it will not change the next hop. देव आपके वहाँ ऐसा होता है या नहीं? बहुत होता है ना? यूपी के लोग होते भी ऐसे फूक रहे हैं थोड़े।
इनके तो खुद के काम ऐसे होते हैं।
नहीं ओए, लड़के पे उंगली नहीं उठानी।
लड़के पे नहीं उठा रहा था, भैया पे उंगली उठा रहा।
पागल है, मजाक नहीं करते ऐसे, अच्छा थोड़ा होता है। बात समझ में आई? जानते नहीं तुम देव को?
मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ इसे।
रूममेट हो इसके? पता नहीं, अब तो तुम बड़े हो गए यार, सुधर जाओ। ठीक है जी, रूल समझ में आया? Whenever we will pass the update to EBGP neighbor, we will always change the next hop. Whenever we will forward the update to, we will not change the. ठीक है। So we have discussed update source, we have discussed next hop self, neighborship हो गई। हाँ, एक बात और, last thing. About नेबरशिप के बारे में है बात कुछ, कल कराऊंगा प्रैक्टिकल, आज तो टाइम नहीं बचेगा। ध्यान से सुनना बात। In case of IBGP, whenever a router will generate a SYN packet, for that TCP SYN packet, by default the TTL value used is 255. It means that if that neighbor is directly connected or indirectly connected, there will be no problem in forming neighborship. But whenever we talk about EBGP neighborship, by default TTL used is 1. By default TTL used is 1. अब ये पूरा कंसेप्ट समझा दूं?
Yes, sir.
समझ लो फिर। देखो, इट इज लाइक दिस, मेरी बात सुनना ध्यान से। लेट्स से देयर आर टू राउटर्स and we are running OSPF between them. Which routing protocol? OSPF. I don't know you have think about this thing before or not, right? But let me point out this thing. By default R1 will send a hello packet to R2. In that hello packet, what will be the TTL by default in OSPF packet? 1. As that hello packet is received on R2's interface, TTL will become 0. And all of us know this thing, the packets with TTL 0 are discarded. So how router is processing the hello as TTL is 0 in that packet? अब तक कंसर्न क्लियर हुआ? Till now things are clear? समझ में आ रहा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? R1 ने R2 को क्या भेजी? देखो पता क्या होगा, अगर आप मेरे साथ बोलोगे, मैं पहले दिन से बोल रहा हूँ, आपको चीजें याद रहेंगी, बाकी आपकी अपनी मर्जी। ठीक है जी। R1 R2 को क्या भेजी? हेलो। हेलो में TTL क्या था? 1. In hello packet what was the TTL? 1. When R2 will receive that hello packet, TTL will become 0. And what we have studied, whenever a router will receive a packet with TTL 1, it will discard that packet. Agree? तो मैं ना जूता उतार के मारूंगा, TTL 0 के साथ कभी रिसीव हो नहीं सकता पैकेट। A router can receive packet with TTL 1, but it cannot receive packet with TTL 0. फालतू वाली बात। If it is receiving packet with TTL 1, whenever it will receive the packet, TTL will become 0 and it will discard the packet. Now my first concern is why that hello is not discarded? Because there is an exception. There is a all control plane traffic with TTL 0 is processed by CPU. मैंने क्या बोला? सारे का सारा कंट्रोल प्लेन ट्रैफिक, ये OSPF के मैसेजेस, EIGRP के मैसेजेस, BGP के मैसेजेस, TCP के पैकेट, सारे क्या है? कंट्रोल प्लेन ट्रैफिक. This all control plane traffic with TTL 0 is handled by CPU. Clear? This is an exception. But your data plane traffic is never handled by CPU if its TTL is 0. Now second thing, let's say we are building a EBGP neighborship between R1 and R2. Between R1 and R2. हम क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? EBGP neighborship. Now, for EBGP neighborship, what is the by default TTL value used? 1. क्या TTL value यूज होती है by default? 1. अब जो बात मैं कह रहा हूं ना, उसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश करना, because you have to link up the things. यही चाबी मांगने आया था ना वो। मैं भी सुबह आया था, चाबी नहीं थी रूम पे, 15 मिनट खड़ा रहा। जैसे को तैसा होता है भाई। ठीक है, देखो भाई, R1 and R2 are connected, directly connected, and in case of EBGP neighborship, we are using TTL value 1. There is one rule in case of EBGP neighborship. वो rule क्या? What is that rule? DCC. DCC. गाली नहीं है कोई? Directly connected check.
Directly connected.
DCC stands for directly connected check. Only in case of EBGP. Only in case of EBGP. All of you know in case of IBGP TTL is 255. So my neighbor is directly connected or indirectly connected, there will be no issue. Done. Now we also know one thing, that my router will process TTL 0 packets. If TTL 0 packets belong to control plane. If TTL 0 packet belongs to control plane. कंट्रोल प्लेन पैकेट्स को प्रोसेस कर लेता है हमारा राउटर, ये बता दिया मैंने। नाउ व्हाट इज द रूल? लेट्स से R1 and R2 are directly connected. Fine. Whenever you will form EBGP neighborship, there is a rule called DCC, directly connected check. What router will check? That with the IP I am going to form neighborship. That IP is associated with a network. That network is directly connected to me or not? That network is directly connected to me or not? Now router knows one thing. What TTL it is using? 1. So it will only initiate TCP SYN if network is directly connected. If network is not directly connected, it will never generate TCP SYN. It will never generate TCP SYN. Concern is clear? In case of EBGP neighborship, what TTL value is used by default? 1. And which feature is turned on by default? DCC. Directly connected check. So router will only generate TCP SYN if with the IP with which I am forming neighborship, that IP is associated with the network, that network is directly connected. जिस IP के साथ मैं neighborship फॉर्म कर रहा हूँ, वो IP एक नेटवर्क से संबंध रखती है। IP उस एक नेटवर्क से बिलोंग करती है। वो नेटवर्क अगर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है, तभी मैं क्या जनरेट करूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे पता है। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। इफ नेटवर्क इज इनडायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड, इफ नेटवर्क इज my TTL value is 1, my packet cannot reach up to that route, my packet cannot reach up to that route. देखो कंसर्न बिल्कुल सही है भाई का, समझो। Let's say you have to form neighborship between R1 and R3. On R1 you are writing neighbor 23.3, on R3 neighbor 12.1. Which kind of neighborship you are trying to form? AS 100, AS 200. Agree? Now my concern is this router will never initiate a, why? By default TTL used is 1, and this router knows that 23 network is not directly connected. Clear? This concern is clear? तो अगर आपका नेबर इनडायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है और आप TTL वैल्यू क्या यूज कर रहे हो? 1. In that case router will never generate a SYN packet. Router will never generate a SYN packet. Clear? Next thing. Let's say R1 and R2 are connected by 2 links. Fine. 1.1.1.1, 2.2.2.2. Neighbor 2.2.2.2. Neighbor. Side by side, which feature we will use? We have to use here. Here also update source. All of you know the meaning of update source? घर जाके वीडियो देखना, पता चल जाएगा. Now this time router will say my neighbor is indirectly connected. By default TTL used is, so router will never initiate a TCP packet. Clear? So what we will do in this case? Either we can increase our TTL or we can disable the feature. Now let's say we will discuss about increasing TTL tomorrow. In the today, just to end the topic, let's say we are disabling DCC. जब मैं DCC को डिसेबल कर दूंगा तो राउटर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड चेक के लिए लुकअप नहीं करेगा. राउटर विल ऑलवेज इनिशिएट TCP SYN. Router will initiate TCP SYN. It will receive by R2 with TTL 0. R2 will process the packet. R2 will process the packet and neighborship will perform. Because we have just discussed that router will process control plane traffic with TTL 0. This is the exception. This is the exception. This thing is clear. ठीक है जी. So if in this case also we will disable, router will send packet with TTL. Here it will become, but still these packets are processed by CPU. But this thing will not work if you want to form neighborship between R1 and 3. Let's say here you disable DCC. Router will generate SYN with TTL 1. It will be dropped on R2. It will never reach R3. Clear? So in this case you have to increase the TTL. We will discuss how to increase the TTL tomorrow.